Nobody can intimidate us for this election. Nobody can intimidate us for this election. Yesterday, I was told, and today I read on pages of newspaper that one governor, this is the governor of Kano State, Ayasu, he said it's Ganduje. He said he was going to isolate me until the election is over. That tells you if Nigeria is supposed to be a country, who is supposed to be isolated? Who is supposed to be isolated? A man who pockets dollar in Bavaria from contractors is not isolated, and you say me will be isolated. You see, that's why I say this country, where are we heading to? Look at me. As somebody who puts dollar from left, right, in Bavaria from contractor is saying that I will be isolated. Let me assure you, why they made Ganduje the chairman of the campaign council is because of the dollar they saw. It's because of the dollar. But for the dollar, Ganduje will not have been made the chairman of the campaign council. But what they don't understand, that we, from the Niger Delta, will chop the dollar and will chop him into a coma. So, Ganduje, your dollar will not work in Edo State. But let us understand, the statement made by Ganduje is not just, don't look at it ordinary. What Ganduje said is that they have concluded with the security agencies to make sure the people of Edo State do not protect and defend their votes, that they will not allow them to come out before they know it, that they have announced the result. So he just used me to say they would isolate me. He knows I'm not at his level. He knows I'm not at his level. So he just used that to cover. What he was telling Nigerians is that, look, this election will make sure Edo people, they don't come out to vote. Even if they vote, we will not allow them to protect and defend their vote. So Edo people, now they have told you, they will not allow you to vote. Even if you vote, they will not allow you to protect and defend your vote. It's a direct challenge to all of you, the leaders here from Edo State. And I can tell you, Ganduje should not think the way they read that Kwakwanso, then they will do that in Edo State. No, it will not happen. The way they use security to read that Kwakwanso, it will not happen in Edo State. It will not happen. Because people want in Kano State, and we know what happened. So if he thinks that that is what they can do, far, 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 far,